two friends. One name is John C. and one's name is Sue. They lived in a three-story building on the third floor. Suddenly, Sue felt ill in the month of November. John C. consulted doctor and the doctor told her that she is suffering from pneumonia. But she has no willingness to live. Then Sue went to John C. and said, "What is this?" And then John C. said, "I don't want to live," and because negative thoughts were in the mind of John C. Then one moment, John C. was counting outside the window that the leaves were falling, and then Sue told, "What are you doing?" Then John C. said, "This leaf will fall, then I will also die from the earth." So this is the negative thoughts speaking from John C.'s mind, and Sue gave her best to entertain her friend to put positive thoughts in her mind, and then nothing but Sue went to Bearman. Bearman is 60-year-old painter who lived in the first story of the same building, first floor of the same building. His goal is to paint a masterpiece that the world will remember him for this. Then they went to John C., but John C. had slept. Then on that night the wind's velocity increased a lot, and the weather is also not supporting them. And when Sue saw Bearman the tree, the leaves were only 5-6 remaining. In the morning, Sue told John C. that Bearman had come to consult you, and then John C. said that let's go to ask him what he has come for. And then when they went, the Bearman was laid on the ground. His paint was outside the room. His pen was on the ground, and his shoes were covered in snow. They consulted doctor, and the doctor said he suffered from pneumonia. And he had died. He had gone from earth. And then when Sue noticed the leaf was not actually real. The leaf was the masterpiece of Bearman who helped John C. to live. And then John C. realized that because of her someone lost her life, and she lived alone, but the Bearman sacrificed his life for John C.
Very good.